What's happening, YouTube? Your boy is back in North Carolina. I took my trip to Texas, went and got certified to be a teacher. I got a video coming up that's gonna show y'all exactly how I did that. I used sneakers to do that, but let's go ahead and hop into this video. Today, we're gonna be cracking into this box. I got the Brotherhoods. Y'all go ahead and lock in with me. Alright y'all, so let's get rolling. If y'all didn't know, Jordan dropped the Brotherhoods earlier this year. They were a massive success on release day. I'm talking about they sold out, couldn't find no pairs anywhere. And it's after everybody was capped out, y'all was capping, y'all talking about, nah, I don't want them. They look like clown shoes, they look like this. They sold out, they sold out. So I don't know what y'all was talking about. However, Nike ended up re-releasing, so we got another chance to cop, and guess what? They sat this time. I wasn't gonna take my chances. I actually wanted the shoe first go around, so I went ahead and I went and copped them. Now, a little bit of backstory on the shoe. Contrary to a lot of people believe, it was not an homage to Kobe. That would have been dope if he would have did that. However, Jordan was actually paying homage to his fraternity from when he was in college. That's where the colorway comes from. Now, the purple and gold goes hard, don't get me wrong, but the purple and gold it's not exactly that Lakers purple and gold. So I kind of knew from the jump they weren't really gonna be a Lakers colorway like that. But you know what? I'm talking too much. Let's go ahead and pull these shoes out. That classic Nike Air Jordan 1 box. So let me go ahead and back up a little bit. We're gonna open up this box so we're gonna get a detailed look on how good these Jordan 1 Brotherhoods are. All right, y'all, we switched up camera angle a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and open up this box. Y'all get a good look at these. Off rip, we already got 2 laces in that bad boy that we can throw in there. Plus, we got a third option that comes in the shoe. You actually already got them purple laces that match the shoe. All right, so as always, we're gonna get started with that outsole. As you can see, it's got that pure gold on the bottom of them. I love that, man. They look so clean when they're dead stock. It's not gonna look like that forever, but it's all good because I'm definitely wearing these. We're gonna go ahead and hop into that midsole. Got an all white midsole, and that floods into that upper right there. And it's got somewhat of a tumbled leather right there. It's not really tumbled. I guess it's just a good quality leather that they got on there. But it's buttery, it's definitely buttery. And then we're gonna go ahead and jump into the swoosh. They went ahead and put that purple in there, and then they run it into that gold heel right there. And then if you look on the back tab, they also got that gold on there. Then they came back with that purple and they contrasted it again. And then you got around the collar of the heel right there as well. They went ahead and threw some actual tumbled leather on the toe, as y'all can see. Ooh, yeah, you might be able to see that. It's actually grained up right there. You can see the grains in the tumbled leather on the toe. And then on the toe box is actually that buttery leather again. I like how they switched that up. And I can't express to y'all how buttery this leather is. It feels so good on these. They really put some good details into these, and they went hard on the actual quality control, and I like that, man. Then we're gonna go ahead and hop into that white tongue. So we got the tongue and it's all white, and then you get up here, and then on the actual tongue tab, you got that purple and that gold. They got the Nike branding in purple, and then the actual tag is gold. And then all your lettering and labeling and everything is in purple as well. Then we get to the inside of the shoe. As you can see, on the inside of that, they got the purple Nike Air. Sorry that it's blurry, but then they also got the gold insole that matches that gold that's on the outside as well. And then your sock liner is that purple. I'm loving that, man. Me personally, I'm loving the color blocking on these. I think that they did a very, very good job on the color blocking on these. These look amazing to me, and the quality is good. It's A1 so far. All right, y'all, so y'all know how I do it. When we come here, we talk about kicks, we talk about the prices, we talk about retail, everything. So I end up getting these for retail, and guess what? They were sitting on Sneakers app. That's the first time in a long time that I've seen an Air Jordan 1 sitting on Sneakers app. That is wild. But with that being said, it was a restock, but still, even with restocks, y'all be flying off the shelves with them, man. Like, y'all really capped out on this one. Y'all really capped out on this one, man. That's crazy. But anyway, yeah, man. I think they did an amazing job on these shoes. If you didn't get them second time round, dude, you really slept. You had the chance, and you slept. You was snoozing. You missed out, man. Very dope shoe. I think they did amazing with the tumbled leather on the toe. They got buttery leather all over that thing, man. It ain't no quality control issues. I don't see any glue on the shoe where it's not supposed to be at. I don't see any stitches sticking out where it's not supposed to be at. They really did an amazing job. If they were still sitting on sneakers, I would tell you to go get your pair, but I think they might have sold out again, but I don't know, so I might need to go check. Best thing about it though is that the price is probably not gonna go up on these since they sat the second time around. So you might be able to get on GOAT, you might be able to get on StockX. Go ahead and grab you a pair. If you do, let me know down in the comments. I also forgot to mention I did get a size 9. I'm planning on wearing them. I think that's becoming a recurring thing with me. Really don't sell my shoes like that. I always try to get them in my size because I want to wear them. Wear your kicks, my guy, wear your kicks. But if you don't wear them, if you want to resell them, you can get in the market right now at these Brotherhoods and you're not really gonna pay that much money over retail if you do pay over retail. Now, if y'all want me to do a detailed video on some Air Jordan 1s that are actually in your price range, y'all let me know in the comments below. I can get y'all 5 to 10 pairs that are gonna be below retail or right at retail, or they might be a few dollars over retail, maybe like $20, $30, but you know, after shipping, most of them are gonna come out to around retail. So I might can do a video on that. With that being said, I have an announcement to make. I got a series coming up where I'm actually going to be doing a series of shoes, and they're ones that I custom made on Nike by You. So I want y'all to tune into that. I think it's gonna go crazy, man. I think we're gonna have a good response to it. It's something that I really like that I've been trying to get into a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little preview, but I'm not gonna show y'all the shoes. I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. All right, y'all, excuse the mess that's in here, but I got me, so y'all see the Brotherhoods that are sitting up here, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes right there, and they all got something special in them. I'm actually super excited for what's in those boxes because I put my own personal touch on all of them, and they're actually all customized, got my name on them and stuff like that, similar to my pairs that I had before, but this time I'm actually putting a theme behind them. So it's gonna be like an actual pack. Like when Nike releases a pack, that's what it's gonna be like. So y'all lock it with me, y'all stick with me. Let me know if y'all enjoy these next videos that's gonna come. I love y'all, man. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me and being here for me. And let's get these videos cranked out, man. This has been Thrash Kicks, and I'm out.